Today, we are diving into the most widely used ad format in mobile monetization, banner ads. They've been around for years because when done right, they deliver a steady revenue without disrupting the user experience. Let's break down what banner ads are, when to use them, and how to get the best results. Banner ads are rectangular ad placements that sit at the bottom or at the top of the app screen. They are static in placement but can refresh dynamically, showing new ads as the user spends more time on app. What makes them unique is their non-intrusive nature. Users can continue engaging with the app without disruption, unlike interstitials or rewarded ads. Banner ads are not for every app, but they work exceptionally well with these app categories. First, utility apps, where users spend long passive sessions like news, weather, or productivity tools. Second, casual gaming apps, especially the ones with simple gameplay loops where the screen real estate isn't that crucial. And third, content-heavy apps, where the users browse or scroll, giving the banner space a consistent visibility. If your app has high session duration but low monetization opportunities through in-app purchases, banner ads are a safe and effective choice. Now, placement and execution are everything. Here are a few best practices to keep in mind. Stick to standard sizes. Non-standard sizes can limit fill and performance. Avoid clutter. Don't place banners too close to navigation buttons. Accidental clicks hurts both revenue and UX. Use mediation wisely. Leverage platforms like Google AdMob, AppLovin Max, ironSource, and Unity Level Play that support banner demand at scale. And lastly, preload banners. This ensures ads are ready the moment user opens the app, minimizing blank spaces and user frustration. Every app audience behaves differently. That's why A/B testing is essential. Before running a banner ad, experiment with size, placement, refresh rate, and even ad network prioritization. Over time, you'll see which setup maximizes eCPM while maintaining a positive user experience. Here's the thing. Banner ads might not deliver massive spikes like rewarded ads, but they provide a consistent long-term revenue. They can be your app's steady foundation. Combine banner ads with other ad formats like interstitials and rewarded ads for a balanced monetization strategy. To wrap it up, banner ads are simple, reliable, and still very relevant. If you focus on thoughtful placement, smart mediation, and ongoing testing, they will keep delivering for your app. See you in the next one.